Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung Galaxy A15 5G and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this phone is hopelessly frozen and not responding and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now also, if you need to get it just wiped to the way it was when it came out of the box because you've forgotten the pin, because just for whatever reason you need to get it just wiped everything off of it and get it brand new coming out of the box settings. We can go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and make sure it's powered off. And then while it's powered off, we're going to press and hold the side button and the volume up button, as shown in this image, until the device vibrates. So hold those simultaneously until the device vibrates and the Android recovery screen appears on the screen. Once that happens, we can go ahead and release all of the buttons. And then we're just going to use our volume buttons to navigate through the options here, and the power and the side button to select. So we're going to go down to toggle down to wipe data factory reset and hit the side button. From there, we're going to toggle from cancel down to factory data reset. And once you hit the side button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of this phone. So if we do that, once we do that, it will wipe everything off the phone and it will bring us back to the bootloader recovery mode. And we can then just select reboot system now. It will turn off. It will turn back on as a brand new phone.